Heart murmurs are related to blood flow across heart valves. And there are 4 valves inside the heart, and they function by appropriately timing. For example, the mitral valve opens and lets the blood from the left atrium, which is blood that's just been oxygenated in the lungs, drop into the pumping chamber, and the heart squeezes and pumps it out the aortic valve. And so if there's a restriction of a valve, frequently just like on a garden hose, if you restrict it, it makes a noise. Same thing if a valve gets narrowed. Or if a valve doesn't close totally, and so when the heart squeezes, some of the blood goes back to where it just came from, can also cause a murmur. Now, you can hear murmurs, especially on slim people, that are what we call functional, and that means they're not critically or not significant. They can be easily diagnosed with ultrasound to tell you whether they are of significance. So the answer to the question is you might have a significant heart problem or you might not, depending on what the condition of the valve is that's causing the sound.